Hey there, thanks for watching my Profit Bot review by James Kayburel, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into the dashboard myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research this product, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when our next video comes out. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now let's see what ProfitBot promises us. It is the world's #1 software for the average push profiteer. The weird secret list building technology that the gurus don't tell about. And no, it's not email. Want to end the pain of struggling to profit and finally get profitable leads? The all-in-one solution to master build a push list. You're going to find profitable local leads. You could make $500 per sale. Every app runs on any device. Find unlimited local leads and build your buyers list. Almost in the middle of the page, we find this paragraph. It does tell us a little bit of what this product is going to do. So if you want to generate local leads and build a list of hungry buyers, then you need to start sending push notifications. Push lets people subscribe to your list directly with no autoresponder. And once they sign up, you can send them a message, broadcast, or follow-up in less than 60 seconds, directly and instantly into their browser with huge images and clickable buttons. You simply add one line of code to your website. Then when people click yes to sign up, they are instantly added to your list. Once you sign up for ProfitBot, you will receive an email with this welcome page in it. Step 1 is to access all the software. There are 4 different software applications to access. I have looked for training on this product. The most I've been able to find is this Vimeo video. It has no sound and it's 3 minutes and 45 seconds. It just goes through all the buttons and doesn't really explain anything, mainly because there's no sound. So let's take a look at these software apps. If we go to the local business finder, you have an option to put in 4 different cities, and then you click load suggested businesses. Below will be keywords to search, broken down by city, and whether they can consider them professional, high value, or other. If you click on the buttons you're interested in, here's Boston, Denver, Sacramento. And I would also say, after looking at the options they give us, such as cafe, coffee shop, dentist, real estate agent, if you're gonna send out a push notification with a product in it, make sure that that product is a business to business product and not a business to consumer product. If you've only ever collected emails and done business to consumer marketing up to this point, business to business is completely different, and you will have to change your whole strategy at this point. Once you've chose the businesses that you want to market to in this form, all of those will pop up in this message down here that says, can you research the following keywords for me? If you scroll down, it is signed Chris, and they tell you to enter the email address of the researcher. They do not give you a researcher's name. They don't tell you who to go to. So I have no idea what this list would look like because I have nobody to send this information to. So right away, I cannot get any leads. And this is supposed to be a lead generation software that allows push notifications. So we're already failing on the first part. Next, the next app we're going to access is going to be Push Pro. Once you click into here, you are required to come into pro.club. I've seen this in products before. It does seem to be an affiliate product landing site. Once you come in here, you will need to actually set up an account. Once you do that, you can come back and click this button and it will take you to the Push Pro dashboard. This does seem to be like it'll be the main dashboard once you get it all set up. You can see how many subscribers, push subscribes for today, push subscribes from yesterday, recent broadcast, list subscribes, and then some buttons on the right, not all of which are going to be functioning. But first thing you want to make sure you do is create a list, come in and give it a title and save. It will then show up down here. You cannot import anything into here. You can only change the name. So you can only begin to build a list from here. You cannot import any of your own information. Next, you would want to create an opt-in form. You would come in and enter all of the relevant information. Let's take a look at one I've already done. If we go into edit, this is the name I put in, some subtitle. I changed my button names and put in an image. This is what it's going to look like. And then you would click save. If you notice, there is nowhere for an email to go in here because we are not collecting email addresses. What actually happens here is when somebody is on your page and they click the yay button, they agree to allow you to send them push notifications straight to their web browser in the form of follow-ups and broadcasts, which will have your chosen affiliate products in it, and you will hope that they buy something this way. Follow-ups you cannot create new from here. You will have to access a different app for that. Same thing with broadcasts. You can view them from here, but we'll come back to that in just a minute. If you had any subscribers, they would show up in here. Websites is actually a design template for the website you're going to create. Step one is to create an opt-in message and then copy the embed code. If we go back to our Push Pro dashboard and view our opt-ins again, our embed code is right here. Choose the list. This is why we made our list first. You can add tracking codes, and if you wanted to choose a send domain, you would have to choose from their list here. You can have an after sign up redirect URL as well. Make sure you come down and copy this code because you will need to paste it in several different places. So you would paste that here and you would pick a template to design your website with your code preloaded, and that would be your opt-in code. If we choose this one, you will need to download that, and last we'll look at done for you. Here they have done for you template messages, so you could send these as follow-up or broadcasts, and that option shows on the right. This is the URL to load. I would go into each one of these and take a look and do a little bit of research before I promote them, because nobody wants to promote bad products. This particular product is actually an article hosted on the pro.club page. There are some filters up here if you're interested for affiliate promos versus giveaways, niches, and any CTR, or you could be choosy. If I wanted to send this as a follow-up, it does take me to the update message where I can put in my specifics, the URL I want it to load. They've added an image here, and they've also added some proof of profits, but we have no idea where these came from. Always choose a list to send it to. Otherwise, it's just sitting here in your app, not making you any money. And you have the option to choose how many days after that account subscribes to send it. Save. And if we view our follow-ups, here is the one I just made. I put a 1 in front of it so we could take a look. From here, you can delete it or view it. This is the URL you chose to direct traffic to. And if we look at broadcasts, those can also be viewed here as well. Next, we would want to go to the instant push pages. This software allows you to quickly launch your own push notification landing pages, collecting leads and selling some of his top selling ClickBank products. After you set this up, grab your push notification code, enter any other information below, and then start promoting your page. This is going to be your website builder. This is the URL that you will send people to so that you get permission to send them push notifications with this system. The only chance of branding it for your business is what you input to go on the very end. This is what my final URL looks like. You would put your ClickBank affiliate ID in, presumably for him to connect that to his top selling products, so you will get affiliate commission. Here is where you would need your opt-in code that we have already embedded once. You would name your website. They tell you that this will appear in the title of your site, but I have not been able to find it yet. You would need a logo, and they tell you what your width and height should be, support email, and then some optional images, tracking codes as well. Once you've got your information, you would click Save Changes to Website, and here is the website. See, this is the URL. I see no title with the XYZ1234 that was supposed to be visible on this page. I did put in a banner here just to see what it would look like, and as we scroll down, I'll let you take a look at this page. It is just a sales page for Pro Club, basically, and some other products here. Continue to scroll down so you can see it all. If we go back up to the top and try to get instant access for free, here is the opt-in form that we put in. If you click yay, I should now show up on my subscribe list. Now we've done our web page. We have one more app. This is going to be our website to push app. Once you get your fourth and final username and password set up, you are dropped into the website to push. you would need to enter a sales page URL. I'm just going to use the ProfitBot sales page. If we create a push template, here is our preview image, which would just be the headline. And then it pulls information from inside the page. It looks like these are headers to me after looking back through this sales page a little bit. Choose your headline and your message. You can only choose one of each. And here is where you would be able to create a new follow-up or a new broadcast message. You can only do one at a time, so you will need to come back to this page to do the other one. We'll do follow-up right now. Again, we'll just enter the information that they ask us for. On the right, this top picture is the one that it pulled from the sales page for us. And you can see underneath it is anything I would have adjusted. Choose the list you want it sent to, however many days after subscription you want it sent, and save. It then pops up in your view for follow-ups. And if we wanted to do a new broadcast, we would go back to our website to push page, create push template. I would suggest changing this up a bit just so it doesn't look like you sent a follow-up as the same as your broadcast. And then you could choose broadcast. You would enter the same information, choose your list. You do have the option to schedule it and save. Again, that takes you back to the view on your broadcast lists, and that is ProfitBot. So what is the strategy that ProfitBot is trying to get you to use with these 4 separate apps on 4 different URLs? And I have so many browser tabs open right now. It would have been a lot easier if these were all put onto one dashboard for you. As for the strategy, you're supposed to come in here to the business finder, input your cities and what businesses you want to market to, and get your leads. I'm not able to get any of the leads, so I don't know what form they're going to come in. I'm hoping they don't send email leads because they told us we don't need an autoresponder at all. Once you do receive your leads, you would want to take your web page and somehow get it out to the leads that you've collected. They do not tell you how to do that, but it is always the goal for people to see this and buy something from you. ProfitBot, being a 4-app, supposedly all-in-one suite, is trying to give you a way to put a code to allow you to send push notifications to people that have agreed to receive them from you or opted in by hitting the yay button. So guys, it looks like you're going to have more questions than answers with ProfitBot. Right now, ProfitBot is being sold for $27. I have not seen any upsells for it, but I would not waste my $27 on a product that gave me no training and is not very clear on what you are supposed to do with it. Guys, I hope this ProfitBot review helped you out. If you're looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to know when our next video comes out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.